I have the easiest dish for you. It's my 5-minute lemon oregano flounder. Yeah, 5 minutes, because flounder is a sustainable, small, thin, white fish. And any small, sustainable white fish will do. You can use flounder, you can use sole, you could use tilapia if you wanted to. If you use a larger fish, like a mahi or a cod, it's going to take a little bit longer. Still doable. The recipe works just as well. But I'm dredging this in a little bit brown rice flour. It gives it a really nice texture, crust on the outside, not a lot, but just a tiny, tiny bit. You can use regular flour if you wanted to, but I'm just going to very gently and very minimally dredge my flounder. And there, just a gentle sizzle is what's gonna happen. I can hear it. Look at that. Here. There was just a little bit of olive oil in that skillet, and I need a tiny bit of salt. It's going to have lemon, of course, and lemon kind of substitutes for salt in a lot of things. If you're on a low salt diet, you can substitute lemon over a lot of things and it'll kind of give you that same vibe. And I don't want the lemon to be overpowering and have it taste salty, so minimal salt and then pepper. And while that is cooking away, I'm gonna zest my lemon. I use one of these and you see I get a really nice amount of zest off of the lemon. And I think I bought a seedless lemon here, so we'll see. And always zest your lemon before you want to squeeze it. This has got a few tiny, tiny seeds. So this oregano is from my herb garden. If you don't have fresh oregano, you can use a bit of dried, and actually when fall hits and this doesn't continue to bloom like it is, I'm gonna take the oregano that I have and I'm going to dry it. So I'll have dry oregano. This is Greek oregano. You can use any type of oregano that you like. I like the Greek. But if you wanna use a little bit of dried oregano, that would work too. And then you don't need to do this, but I'm just gonna give it a rough chop. Totally up to you. You're ready to go. I'm gonna check the other side of this. It should be golden. Oops. It's so delicate. I'm trying to be very careful with this. Right, that was about 60 seconds one side, 60 seconds this side, and then we make the sauce that goes with it. While this is sizzling away, I'm going to do a little bit of butter. We're gonna make a sauce right in the pan. And then I need my lemon zest and my oregano. And then the lemon juice, and this makes a fabulous pan sauce for your fish. The butter and the olive oil make a nice, luxurious sauce with this lemon. Right, here we go. That looks fabulous. Just gonna plate this up. Lovely. And then spoon just a tiny bit of this sauce, kind of all drizzled over. Oh, that's so nice. Check that out. Just a beautiful piece of a lemon oregano flounder. Oh, and flounder tastes so buttery. And then you get that lemon oregano sauce with it. Wow. Give it a try. It's your 5-minute flounder. And the recipe's on tkfoodie.com.